Yesterday I had a discussion about the PVT, Space PVT and CVD. The question was about Space PVT because this is an epitaxial method, meaning to make thin films. And actually it is made to make thick, thin films. And like the CVD, it's more suitable to make thin films. It is a bit challenging to grow thicker layers than, let's say, 30 micrometer, and then you start to have step bunching and defects and control of the growth. The sublimation epitaxy, the Space PVT, this is suitable for thicker layers because it's based on the PVT process and it's a bulk-like thin film epitaxy process. It's easy to grow thick layers. It's difficult to grow pure layers. So the CVD method is more suitable for growth of pure layers for power devices. In emerging applications like photonics, there's another concept. Then you actually do sometimes intentional doping. You add elements, and then the purity is not as relevant as for power devices. Purity is still relevant because you don't want too many things which disturb the process of device performance, but they are maybe not active. So if they are not active, they don't disturb, and then it's fine. Like in nitrides for LEDs, then the quality of the nitride layers is actually not that good. There's a lot of defect, but they emit light efficiently. Those defects do not disturb, so they are killing the total performance. Similar with Space PVT, this is very suitable to grow thicker layers. And actually those thicker layers are sort of like wafers, meaning that they can be used for next things. So I call them epi wafers. And then you do processing and maybe some P-type doping in trenches and things like that for new structures. So then it's epi wafers using PVT method, the Space PVT, and the wafers which are actually made for the epi wafers is done by PVT. And they are using the same principle, PVT growth, and they are using the same furnace. You don't need to have different types of equipment for it. You just replace the hot zone. In such way, the Space PVT is very complementary to the PVT and CVD.